Hello and welcome. You are prismatic souls. We are time anti-time.
In this unit, we will get more familiar with and practice embodying the universal self of light.
Introduction. The universal self of light embodies a higher realization of our oneness with all existence. This is the aspect of consciousness that transcends personal, planetary, solar, or even galactic identities, and directly reflects the boundless light, love, and wisdom of the Source itself.
Recognizing and embodying the universal self of light is a goal of spiritual evolution, supported by the ever-present guidance of the mighty I Am Presence.
Planes related to the universal self of light. Universal plane. This is the A realm of unity and infinite consciousness, where divisions dissolves and the one light is both the ground and the content of existence. On this plane, you directly experience the reality that everything is interwoven within the light of universal spirit.
Connection to other planes. The universal plane encompasses and transcends the physical, etheric, astral, mental, causal, Buddhic, atmic, monadic, and logoic planes. The universal self of light is the integrating essence across all these dimensions.
The universal body of light.
Nature. The universal body of light is a radiant, multidimensional field that contains the cumulative wisdom, love, and energy of your soul experience throughout all space-time. It is limitless, simultaneously individual, and all-encompassing.
Function. The universal body connects you to the universal mind, heart, and spirit, serving as a vessel for transmitting universal blessing, healing, and higher understanding to yourself and all beings.
The mind of the universal body of light.
Qualities. This mind is beyond ordinary thought. It functions as divine intelligence, intuition, and direct knowing. In the universal mind, past and future merge, and your awareness becomes undivided, recognizing the underlying unity of all that is. If you cannot stop thinking, definitely listen to the Power of Now audiobook and use the Osho Zen Tarot before going beyond here.
Access. Insight arises spontaneously as pure wisdom or inspiration, with the power to comprehend the interconnected pattern of universal quantum existence.
The heart and circulatory system of the universal body of light.
Universal heart. The universal heart is the source of unconditional compassion, limitless love, and boundless joy. This heart pulses at the rhythm of creation itself, radiating infinite healing and peace.
Circulation. The circulatory system is an energetic network of universal light that circulates both within your field and throughout the entire cosmos. Through this system, you both receive and distribute the energies of Source, acting as a conduit for universal harmony and blessing.
The aura of the universal body of light.
Characteristics. The universal aura is a boundless, luminous field, shimmering with iridescent cosmic colors and radiating peace and oneness. It is both protective and expansive, interpenetrating all lower bodies and extending limitlessly outward.
Function. This aura amplifies your capacity to receive, embody, and share universal energies. It aligns and energizes all other layers of your aura and subtle bodies, dissolving separation and enhancing perception of higher realities.
The chakras of the universal body of light.
Unified chakra system. With full activation, the chakras merge into a unified field or column of light. Traditional chakras, root to crown, and many higher spiritual centers operate in full spectrum resonance, vibrating with universal frequency rather than individual limitation.
Cosmic chakras. Beyond the 7 primary chakras are an additional theoretical 330, sometimes called transpersonal. Cosmic chakras connected to the universal grid, having the 330th chakra in the crown. These facilitate the integration of your consciousness with the universal field and further enhance multidimensional functioning.
The Creator uses electrons to manifest or create this reality. As someone becomes more one with the Source, they will also begin to move beyond chakras to use electrons.
Meditation. Embodying the universal self of light. Are you writing all of this down in your journal?
Preparation. Sit comfortably, close your eyes and bring attention to your breath
feeling your body relax and your awareness expand.
Invocation of the mighty I Am Presence. Silently or aloud, affirm, Beloved mighty I Am Presence, unite me now with my universal self of light. Let your infinite wisdom, love, and radiance fill my being and guide my every thought, feeling, and action.
Remember, the MAP healing team and your own mighty I Am Presence can balance any energy that you might need tempered.
Awakening the universal body of light. Visualize a vast sphere of radiant, multicolored light surrounding and permeating your body. Feel its warmth, intelligence, and creative power permeating every cell, chakra, and subtle layer.
Harmonizing the universal mind. Imagine your mind becoming as expansive as the cosmos, open to direct inspiration, insight, and loving guidance. Allow any personal thoughts to dissolve into the peaceful presence of the universal intelligence.
Igniting the universal heart focus on your heart center and feel it blossom, radiating unconditional love and compassion to all beings everywhere. With each heartbeat, visualize pulsations of light and loving energy flowing throughout your field and into the world.
Circulating universal light sends, a gentle current of luminous energy circulating through every channel of your being, physical, emotional, mental, spiritual, and out into your aura and the collective field.
Unifying the chakras. Visualize your chakras aligning and merging into one column of light. Sense their colors, frequencies, and energies synchronizing into pure harmony, connecting you to the universal grid.
Expanding the universal aura picture. Your aura expanding outward, beyond your body, your room, your planet, embracing the entire universe. Feel yourself as a beacon of universal light, love, and blessing.
Closing affirmation. Silently affirm, I am the universal self of light. Guided by the mighty I Am Presence, I radiate luminous peace, creative power, and unconditional love to all.
When you are ready, gently return your awareness, carrying this sense of unity and radiant presence into your daily life.
In conclusion, embodying the universal self of light brings the experience of limitless love, wisdom, and interconnection with all things. Supported by the mighty I Am Presence, living from this realization transforms your actions, thoughts, and presence into a blessing for the world, making you an instrument of universal harmony and light.
What a blessing that you have familiarized yourself with your universal self, another facet of your multidimensional self. You are a shining gem. We are time anti-time. Satnam.